Hello, my friends. How are you? Did you miss me? First of all, please forgive me that I didn't publish new videos on my channel because I had reasons and why I didn't publish new videos on my channel. And I decided to record this video, like as always, without any preparation and just to show you my English level, because you should know that I didn't learn English about 1 month. It's like about 3 or 4 weeks I didn't learn English at all. Understand? And it's incredible for me. First of all, it's incredible for me because I didn't learn English about 1 month, and I can speak English like before. Of course, I don't remember any English words, expressions, verbs, phrasal verbs, and but despite of this fact, I can speak English like before, almost like before. And please watch this video till the end, because I have very good and interesting idea for next videos on my channel, and I suggest you to participate on my channel. But what idea I want to tell you, I will tell you this idea in the end of this video. Therefore, please watch this video till the end. Okay. First of all, what I want to tell you, why I didn't publish new videos on my channel, because I have some problems in my job, and I didn't have enough free time to record video on my channel, and at the same time I didn't have a good mood to record videos on my channel. Please, I hope you understand me, because if you have family like me, if you have job, and if you have some problems in your job or your family, you don't have a good mood to do other things, yes, in your life. As for me, yes. And I promise that next time I'll do my best to record video on my channel more often than before. Please, I want to tell you that I have a very good and interesting idea for you. I suggest you to participate on my channel, on my next video. What I mean, if you watched one of my last videos on my channel, when I talked with one of my subscribers about Russian, about English language, and when we asked each other different questions about Russian and about English language, and it was very interesting between us, because we shared with each other different knowledge about Russian, about English language. And if you want to record these kind of videos with me, please write under this video in the comments about it, if you wanna record video like this. Yes, please write me under this video, and we will do it. And you should know that when we will record these kind of videos, about when we will ask each other different questions about Russian, about English, about maybe other topics, and you should, first of all, you should write me under this video, and after that we will talk about this topic, and you should prepare different questions for me. And because I need to prepare for this question, and I need to prepare answers for these questions, understand? And so what can I tell you? I don't know, because I didn't publish new videos on my channel a long time, and forgive me for it. And it's incredible for me, because you see that I didn't learn English 1 month, and I can speak English almost like before. It's very good. And I want to tell you that if you learn Russian, for example, or if you learn other foreign languages, uh, you why what I mean, I think it seems to me that why I can speak English like before, because a long time ago when I start to learn English, I learned English regularly. I mean, only regular work lead to achieve this kind of level. Even when I didn't learn English 1 month, right now I can speak English like before, almost like before. And I have advice for you. You should learn English. Sorry, no English. Russian, if you learn Russian, or another foreign language. You should learn these foreign languages regularly. Yes, almost every day, even 15 minutes, 10 minutes, 5 minutes a day. It's enough for your education. But exactly regular work, regular education, almost every day. And it's very good. It's very good method for your education. So I hope that, and I promise that next time I do my best to record new videos on my channel about Russian language, maybe about my life, what I do on my life with my family. If you interest my life, if you interest what I do with my family, what places I visit, if you want to see, if you want to watch these kind of videos on my channel, please write and comment under this video. And bye bye.